Hello children, this is 2.4. How doth the little busy bee? Doth is does. So here the poem is written by Isaac Watts and he is describing about the busy bee who is always working hard to gather, and she gathers honey from the flowers. How doth the little busy bee improve each shining hour and gather honey all the day from even every opening flower. From every opening flower, she gathers honey and she is working very hard. How skillfully she builds her cell, how neatly she spreads her wax, and labors hard to store it well with the sweet food she makes. So you must have seen the honeycomb. How is it? It is like this shape, hexagon. So she builds that cell, yes, and she spreads the wax neatly. She works hard to store it, and then she is able to relish that food. So by working hard, this busy bee gets the food, right? How doth the little busy bee? Now, contradict to this bee is the crocodile. So parody is sarcastic joke, yes, that is making fun of someone's work. So this is a crocodile. Now how does the crocodile gets the food? Does he do any hard work? What is he doing? How doth the little crocodile improve his shining tail? So he just wants to improve his tail and pour the waters of the Nile on every golden scale. So he is living in the Nile river and he just have the work of pouring water on every scale. Now you must have seen snake or any reptile. They have scales on the body. How cheerfully he seems to smile. So if you have noticed or observed the crocodile smiling in some geographical channel, you must have seen it smiles widely with its teeth out, right? So उसका दांत भी दिखते हैं. How neatly spreads its claws, nails, and welcomes little fishes in, who gently smiling jaws. So this crocodile is just idle, is just doing time pass, but because of his fake smile, what does he do? He welcomes the little fishes. So they come that, oh, this crocodile is in a good mood, so they just come. But as soon as the fishes come nearby, it just eats them, gulps it. Yes, so this is opposite of the honeybee. Honeybee works hard and collects and gathers the honey, whereas this crocodile is the opposite. It just does nothing, but his tummy is full. How? By eating fishes. Is it clear? So how we should be? We should be like the honeybee who is working hard. Is it clear? But this parody is also fun. Just listen, because this is small poem, easy to remember, and this parody is written by Lewis Carroll. Yes? Is it clear? Thank you.